Mama kanti siyaphnemithwalo engaka? Hayi khululeka mfana wami, I've found a new place for us. Hayi mama iyasinda le mithwalo yo. Yekela ukubalabala cheese, sesifikile la siya khona. Ya-ke mfana wami naku-ke. Yo mama umkhukhu. Ayikho enye into engingayenza mntanami. You have to know ukuthi you have to start somewhere in order to get somewhere. You have to start to a certain point to get to another point. Hayi mama, I can't afford to live in this shack yo. Like serious mama, sohlala lana. Listen my boy, I know you like beautiful things and fancy stuff, but then boy, that doesn't come out of nowhere. I've said it that you have to start somewhere in order to get somewhere. Uyazi now besinceda u-Auntie Jemima. So manje mfana kumele sizibone. This is the life we have to live. Mama bazothini abangani bami? How will they even look at me mama? Yo. And I have no job mfana wami. You know ukuthi I've lost my job. Angisho uyakwazi lokho. Mara mama, do you have any idea that I'll be kicked out of the group of amadamage? Phela I'm the one who used to dame age them. Phela I'm the real boss there, mara mama. Oh, like no mama, I think I have an idea, yes. Like I will talk to my TikTokers or do something. Like I've seen people getting help there. How will that help? Kanjani? Ngizozama mama, no mama 5 cent or ama 50 cent neto kuncane kuzongena. I believe in you mfana wami ne, but I think this ain't gonna work. Cabanga ukuthi angeke isebenze lento, angazi ukuthi kanjani. It is too mama, like yo abantu bazothini? I don't believe in abantu bazothini syndrome. What I know ukuthi uGod uzosisiza. Asihlale ethembeni sithandaze nje thina kuphela. Mara mama, God will not help us if we don't do anything. God help those who help themselves. So how is he gonna help us if we don't do anything? Ngiyakuzwa mfana wami, you know it's for the first time hearing you talking like this. Ngiyabonga mama, sizozama soyi-2. We rather fail together than blaming ourselves later. Okay boy, enough about the talk ne. Let's get in. Umama kenzele ukudla kwakho okuthandayo. Yeva? Asingene ke.
Three days later.
Hey abafana bala ngathi bawelile ngobuningi. Ayi nami ngathi kumele ngiyowela manje. Mara kumele ngiqale ngipractice kuqala. Ya, awuthi ngipractice kuqala ngibona. Wanini para ye wa wa ye wanini para ye bese sizothi wa wa ye wanini para ye. Hey ya, thingithintele yami yo. Ay, wawaye. Ubani lo fonayo manje? Ntwana yami. Ikuse boy. Ntwana yami. Hawu ngiyavela lapha kuwe ngifuna blind angikutholi. Angisekho lapho mpintshi like ngimuve out yabo. Umuvile. Ma ungitsheli boy, why? No boy, it's something that happened so fast yabo. Ne on boy, but khululeka mfana. I'll bounce back ntwana yazi, forever us. Nazo. But usharp mus. Ntanga cabanga sengihlala emkhukhwini boy. Hayi, wena boy. Hayi thuna manga. Serious boy. Let's hope awunazi imbobo ntwana. Imagine having a supper nomndeni wakho. Then kusasa ngikutshela ukuthi benidlane kini. Lapho ke nyobe ngimhlole embobeni. Mfana, that's the shit I'm scared about. Cina boy. Cina mfana. No fair ntwana sharp. No fair ntwana fair. Uchize kahlala emkhukhwini from hero to zero. Mara awuthi ngahleki bathi nceba le ndoda lihleke. Yo. Wanini para ye wa wa ye. I can't wait mangibuya yo. Yazi nevoice yami iyavuma vele. Wanini para. Hey, ephathe kahle mfana wami. Hayi ngengomeni mina ngeke.